show you exactly how it's
Where's that
properly
garage
done.
right there? Garage right behind the boat park. Rush! Stay low, stay low! One out on the right! One out on the right! By the garage, behind the boat sled. Right? Get that guy in that corner of that house. Thank you. Right side is good, man. Knock out, Nico, take his place. Finally running ours their car. Thank you, Chris. Stay low. Window the house! No, I'm talking to the guys over here. Front window on the right. Drunk gunners! Alright, we're here. kitchen door of garage. I got a guy at the doorway of the garage. Doorway of the garage is flashing me. Everglades second house, mid-house. From the window, I think they were looking. If you come over here, you can see the guy. I'm gonna move left. Come here. Come to my spot. Come to my spot. Right here, right here. I'm pushing. Get back, get back. You're hit, Bubba. Are you getting hit? Come here, come here, come here. Come on down. Right behind, go. Clear right. I got the corner, I got the corner. I got corner. Spawn is clean, spawn is clean. Clear the house, clear the house.
It's only gonna bring you down tonight.
Yeah, swamp house is